I want you to think of something that if I could tell you about yourself, you would freak out. What is the question? What is the category? Tell me.
What is my first pet?
Imagine telling me the name. What will you do if I know the name of your first pet? Would you like go mental and scream and run away, or would you just smile and nod?
I would just smile and nod.
Look at me. Imagine telling me the name of your first pet that they do not know, that I could not know. How old were you when you first got this pet?
I think I was 6 or 7.
6 or 7. Imagine saying in your head over and over and over. Now you said you wouldn't freak out if I tell you this thing about yourself. So what are you going to do when I tell you your first pet's name was Loopy?
Loopy! How did you do that?
That's my job! Was Loopy a rabbit?
Yes!
Okay, cool.